Okay, welcome back. So we are trying to install phpMyAdmin, and we got this error telling us that the requested phpMyAdmin URL was not found on this server. Remember that default, all our files will be all our if you are installing WordPress, PHP. If you remember a folder called public underscore HTML, that is when you are using cPanel. But now that you are not using cPanel, all your file, your server file, your website file will be located inside the folder called www, yeah, or HTML. So in this case, we have actually installed phpMyAdmin, but our phpMyAdmin file needs to be moved or symlink to the www folder. So to resolve this problem, what we need to do now is just link our phpMyAdmin, which was installed inside the URL, I think. Let me check. Yeah, so inside URL share phpMyAdmin, and then we symlink it to the HTML folder inside our www. So great. What we need to do is this, and just copy. I will drop this inside the doc folder for you to check. You actually go through it yourself. So great. So copy, and yeah, once you copy, just press enter. You have this. Yes, don't mind this. It's just something that is normal. And what do we do? And so to see if it is works, let's just refresh the page. Wow, it works, but we have another problem telling us that the module, the extension MB string is installed, is missing. So yeah, is missing. It's actually missing. So to solve this, I think I have the syntax already. Just grab, I'll drop it for you. Just grab it here and go to our terminal to install this string it's talking about. Yeah, said we have www installed already. Okay, so what next? We need to restart Apache. Let's see if restarting Apache will solve this problem. Great. So now let's refresh this page and see if our phpMyAdmin will work fine as expected. Alright, great. So what next? So yeah, roads, and yeah, so you just need to press root as username, and your MySQL password will be the default password for your phpMyAdmin. Remember the MySQL server password you set when you're installing this. So wowza, we have our phpMyAdmin up and running, and I think by now you can import your DB and drop your files inside www and connect both together. Wow, and you get your web app up and running. That will be all for now. Thank you.